Samsung isn't just upgrading a screen this time, they might be quietly rewriting the rules of foldable displays. And honestly, it's kind of shocking how under the radar this is. The upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 8 isn't just another yearly refresh. It's expected to inherit one of Samsung's most futuristic display innovations, something called Flex Magic Pixel. And no, this isn't some cheap software privacy filter you stick on top of the screen. This is built deep into the OLED hardware itself. That's what makes it exciting. Flex Magic Pixel first appeared with the Galaxy S26 Ultra as part of Samsung's AI-driven display vision, but bringing it to a foldable? That changes everything. Here's why. Instead of treating the whole display the same way, this system controls light at the individual pixel level. Imagine that for a second. Each pixel intelligently deciding how much light to emit and in which direction. When sensitive content appears, banking apps, private chats, confidential files, the display can automatically narrow the viewing angle. From the front, everything looks bright, sharp, and perfectly normal. From the side, almost invisible. That's not a gimmick. That's next-gen engineering. And it gets smarter. When the Fold 8 is fully opened, Samsung can apply this privacy effect across the entire inner display, or just on specific sections where sensitive information is detected. So if you're multitasking with two apps side by side, only one half of the screen might activate privacy mode. That's not working harder. That's working smarter. Now, think about real life. Foldables are often used in airports, cafes, offices, classrooms. Big screens are amazing until the person next to you can read your entire conversation. That awkward feeling? Samsung seems determined to eliminate it. But that's not even the only upgrade. There's another feature that feels almost protective, like your phone is trying to take care of itself. Early builds of One UI 9, based on Android 17, have now revealed something major. Not one, not two, but 3 foldables are currently in development. And hidden inside the software is a feature that could solve one of the most painful problems of owning a foldable: expensive inner screen damage. While digging through a leaked build, Android Authority found code strings referencing a new system called foreign material detection. The idea is simple, but powerful. If your phone does not close completely, it will warn you. It will ask you to open it back up and check for dust, debris, or tiny particles on the display before folding it again. Think about how important that is. One small grain of sand, one tiny crumb, that is all it takes to permanently damage a delicate foldable screen. Repairs are costly and sometimes heartbreaking. This new warning system could mean the difference between peace of mind and a cracked inner display. Users will reportedly have the option to disable the feature in settings, but it is expected to be turned on by default. And realistically, most people will leave it enabled. This is also not the same mechanism seen on the Galaxy Z Trifold, which alerts users with vibrations and on-screen warnings if the device is folded at the wrong angle. This newly leaked system goes further. It specifically targets foreign objects, preventing the phone from closing properly. It's proactive protection, not just a folding angle reminder. Leaked illustrations show all 3 upcoming foldables side by side. Internal code names point to a standard Fold 8, a wider Fold variant, and the Flip 8. Interestingly, the images suggest slightly more rounded corners across the lineup. If accurate, this would signal a subtle shift from Samsung's sharper design language. Of course, final hardware details could still change before launch. One big question remains: does foreign material detection rely on new hardware sensors, or is it purely software-based? That detail matters. If it's software-driven, there's a real possibility that current models, like the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7, could receive the feature through an update, and that would be a major win for existing users. Something unusual is happening behind the scenes at Samsung, and if this leak turns out to be real, it could completely change what we expect from foldable phones. Because for years, the Galaxy Z Fold has followed a familiar formula: tall, narrow on the outside, tablet-like on the inside. But now, a new device, rumored to be called the Galaxy Widefold, is hinting at a bold shift, a wider design, a different philosophy, and possibly Samsung's direct response to Apple's first foldable iPhone. And the deeper you look into this leak, the more interesting it gets. Over the past few months, whispers have been getting louder that Samsung is experimenting with an entirely new Fold model, not just an upgrade, but a different direction. Instead of sticking to the narrow outer display we've seen for generations, this new device is rumored to embrace a much wider form factor. And now, thanks to a new discovery, we finally have something visual to look at. A recent animation uncovered by Android Authority inside One UI 9 APK files shows app continuity between the cover screen and the unfolded display. And while it's not a full design reveal, the aspect ratio in that animation is noticeably wider than any Galaxy Z Fold we've seen before. That might sound like a small detail, but it actually tells us a lot, because one of the biggest criticisms of Fold devices has always been the outer screen experience. Typing can feel cramped, apps sometimes feel compressed, and watching videos often leave awkward black bars. A wider design could solve all of that in one move. Imagine opening your Fold and getting a display that feels closer to a true tablet. Better for browsing, better for multitasking, and much better for watching content. It's the kind of change that doesn't just look different, it feels different in everyday use. And if Samsung is really going in this direction, it suggests they're not just iterating anymore, they're evolving the Fold into something more practical for mainstream users. Internally, this device is rumored to be developed under the codename H8, with a possible model number SMF971U. That alone tells us this isn't just a concept floating around a lab. It's being treated like a real product with a defined development path. What's even more interesting is the timing. Reports suggest this wider Fold could be designed to counter Apple's first foldable iPhone, which is also expected to adopt a wider format. And if there's one thing we know about Samsung, it's that they don't like giving up their lead in the foldable space. So instead of waiting, they may be preparing their next move early. And here's where things get really telling. Samsung is reportedly optimistic enough about this device that they're expecting to ship over 1 million units after launch. That's not a small experimental batch. That's confidence. That suggests Samsung believes there's real demand for a different kind of Fold experience. If you step back and look at the bigger picture, this could mark the beginning of a split strategy for the Fold lineup. One model continuing the classic design, and another pushing towards a wider, more tablet-like experience. And honestly, that makes a lot of sense. Foldables are still evolving, and the companies that win will be the ones willing to experiment with form factors instead of playing it safe. A wider Fold could attract users who love the idea of foldables, but never fully adapted to the tall, narrow design. Of course, we still don't know the full specs. No confirmed camera details, no battery information, no official name. And it's very likely Galaxy Widefold is just an internet nickname for now. But leaks like this don't appear out of nowhere. As the saying goes, where there's smoke, there's fire. And right now, there's a lot of smoke around Samsung expanding the Galaxy Z Fold family in a big way. If this device becomes real, it won't just be another yearly upgrade. It could redefine how foldables feel in daily life and push the entire industry towards wider, more versatile designs. And with competition heating up, especially with Apple preparing to enter the foldable space, Samsung clearly isn't planning to slow down. The next year or two could be the most important period yet for foldables, and this might just be the first glimpse of what's coming next. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you prefer the current tall Fold design, or would you actually want a wider Fold like this? Drop your thoughts in the comments because I read them all. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want to stay ahead of every major Samsung leak, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications, because the foldable future is about to get very interesting.